So, now having been called and having in person done this cell visit for Christian Tate, you were called for with Alejandro Morales as the arresting officer, and the secondary officers is Steve Johnson and Jay Capone. You have been told in cells by your client that he was at Legion when the police pulled in and hit his car. Their cars hit each other. It was an accident on both their parts. They got out, and the officers tried to extort your client for cash and then for X. They wanted to sex him. He was afraid, so he got in his car and tried to leave. They put spike strips on his car, and Steve Johnson got in his car. He tried to flee. They chased him. He crashed and ejected from his car, got medical, and he is upset that they tried to extort him, and then when he left, tried to arrest him. The officer indicated that when they went to fuel up at Legion, your client hit their car, and when they tried to talk to him, that he fled, which is a hit and run, in their opinion, and that they chased him, that your client endangered the public, and that they got him medical. So, based on this information here, you're going to go to the DOJ. You're going to go to ticket, case filing ticket. You're then going to go down to legal templates. These will be in alphabetical order. You will scroll up and look for the cell visit form. You will click file. You will make a copy. You'll put cell visit form. And then you will put for Christian Tate. Then, since this is a criminal case, it will be the state versus Christian Tate. And ask the PD officer for a MDT number. If they give an MDT number, like say 1201, that is what you would put in there. Or if they do not have an MDT number, you will put none applicable. Then you will put who you notified, such as normally the arresting officer, of your intent to contest the criminal charges. And if you do not have their citizen ID, you'll put NA there. And then you will check this, and you will put Salio, or if it is a district attorney, you will put DAO. In this case, it was a law enforcement officer, and so you will put that. And then Mr. Morales, if you know his specific department, you can specify that in here. These are already pre-filled out. And then this is based, you will specify down here, based on the arrest of Christian Tate. And for training purposes, we will say this happened today. There you go. And then you'll put your name, your signature, and you can change the fonts on this to anything that you like. Then you'll put today's date. You will then scroll back up, click share, copy link. You'll go back to your ticket. And then the judge will go and view this. They'll look through this, and they'll go down here. They'll put their name, their signature. They'll date it as well, and they'll sign it. Now the judge, when he does this, he may make a copy of it, like this, and then actually go and sign it. Or, if you want him to sign this actual form, you would have to go and change this to editor first. And after the judge signs it, then you would change it back to viewer. So you can take this as if the judge himself made a copy of this. And there you go. You would then go to the police department, open a ticket, and it would normally be a complaint ticket. It seems I can't open any new tickets. And now they would review this, and then they would respond and provide you with this. And if applicable, they would also put the MDT in here, but for the training purposes, we're going to say they don't have an MDT report filled out. And that is the end of this portion of the training video.